Put this in your tomato and cucumber planting hole. Get disease-free plants and bucketful harvests. Tomatoes and cucumbers don't usually fail because of bad seeds or bad luck. They fail because the soil around their roots is weak, unbalanced, or lifeless. The planting hole is where everything begins. If that zone lacks nutrients, beneficial microbes, and protection against disease, your plants will struggle from day one. When cucumbers get sick, it's often due to poor root development, fungal buildup, or inconsistent nutrition. Weak roots mean weak plants, and weak plants attract problems. But when you prepare the planting hole correctly, you create a powerful microenvironment that feeds, protects, and strengthens your cucumbers from the very start. The powerful planting hole mix that changes everything. Right before planting your cucumber seedlings or seeds, you need to prepare a nutrient-rich, disease-fighting blend that goes directly into the hole. This mixture works by feeding the plant slowly, improving soil structure, and introducing beneficial activity that suppresses harmful organisms. Here is the exact formula you should use per planting hole. Start with 1 handful of well-decomposed compost. This acts as the base, providing organic nutrients and improving moisture retention. Add 1 tablespoon of wood ash. This supplies potassium and helps strengthen plant immunity while improving fruit production. Mix in 1 tablespoon of crushed eggshell powder. This provides calcium, which prevents plant stress and supports strong cell development. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. This is a natural antifungal agent that helps protect roots from rot and disease. Pour in 500 milliliters of diluted fermented liquid feed. To prepare this liquid, mix 1 part fermented plant solution or compost tea with 5 parts water. This introduces beneficial microbes that immediately begin working in the soil. Combine all of this directly in the hole and lightly mix it with the surrounding soil before planting. Step-by-step application in your garden. Dig a hole about 20 to 25 centimeters deep and wide enough to comfortably fit your seedling roots. This space ensures the mixture integrates properly and allows roots to expand easily. Place the compost, wood ash, eggshell powder, and turmeric into the hole. Mix them gently with a small amount of the soil at the bottom so the nutrients are not concentrated in one spot. Pour the diluted liquid mixture evenly into the hole. Let it soak into the soil for a few seconds so everything becomes moist, but not waterlogged. Now place your cucumber seedling into the hole, making sure the roots are, well spread out. Go ahead and cover it with soil, then press lightly to remove any air pockets. After that, water again lightly with another 500 milliliters of the same diluted liquid mixture. This helps activate the nutrients and settle the soil. Using this method, your cucumbers get started in a biologically active, nutrient-dense environment that keeps on feeding them over time. So, why does this mixture work so well? Well, each ingredient plays a specific role that really supports the plant in a powerful way. The compost acts as a slow-release fertilizer, continuously feeding the plant while also improving the soil texture. It even helps retain moisture, which cucumbers absolutely need on a regular basis. Wood ash provides potassium, which is just essential for flowering and fruiting, and it also helps regulate soil pH, making nutrients more available to the plant. And then, eggshell powder delivers calcium, which, strengthens plant tissues and helps prevent diseases that often attack weaker plants. Turmeric acts as a kind of natural defense system. Its antifungal properties reduce the risk of root diseases that commonly affect cucumbers, especially when things get a bit too moist. The diluted fermented liquid introduces beneficial microorganisms that compete with harmful pathogens. These helpful microbes also break down organic matter into forms the plant can easily absorb. So, together, this combination transforms the planting hole into a protective, nutrient-rich zone that supports rapid growth and resilience. So, during the first 10 days, here's what you should expect. Within just the first few days, your cucumber plant will start adjusting to its new environment. Since the soil is already rich and active, root development happens pretty quickly. By about day 5 to 7, you should notice the leaves getting stronger and showing a deeper green color. That's a good sign. It means the plant is absorbing nutrients efficiently. By day 10, your plant should be growing noticeably faster than untreated plants. The stems will look thicker, and the leaves are going to seem more vibrant and healthy. This early advantage is really important because it sets the stage for higher yields down the road. Now let's talk a bit about scaling this for a small garden. If you're working with a small garden, say around 10 cucumber plants, you'll want to adjust your quantities. Prepare about 10 handfuls of compost, 10 tablespoons of wood ash, 10 tablespoons of crushed eggshell powder, and 10 teaspoons of turmeric. For your liquid mixture, combine 1 liter of fermented solution with 5 liters of water. You'll use about 500 milliliters per planting hole during preparation and another 500 milliliters after planting. If you're scaling up for a larger plot, like a garden with about 50 plants, you'll just increase your quantities proportionally. Use 50 handfuls of compost, 50 tablespoons of wood ash, 50 tablespoons of eggshell powder, and 50 teaspoons of turmeric. Prepare about 5 liters of fermented solution mixed with 25 liters of water. And still apply 500 milliliters per hole before and after planting. Keeping things consistent across all planting holes really helps ensure uniform growth and yield. So, how does this method help prevent common cucumber diseases? Well, many cucumber diseases actually start in the soil. The most common problems are root rot, fungal infections, and nutrient deficiencies. This planting method tackles those issues in a few different ways. The turmeric, for example, reduces fungal presence right at the root zone. The beneficial microbes from the liquid mixture outcompete harmful organisms, creating a balanced environment. The calcium from the eggshells strengthens the plant's structure, making it tougher for diseases to take hold. And the steady nutrient supply from compost and wood ash keeps the plant healthy and less vulnerable to stress, which is usually when diseases like to attack. So instead of reacting to problems later, this approach helps prevent them from developing in the first place. Once your cucumbers are established, you can continue supporting them with the same diluted liquid mixture. Every 7 to 10 days, water each plant with about 500 milliliters of the mixture made with that same 1:5 ratio. This keeps the soil alive and continuously feeds the plant without overwhelming it. As the plant begins flowering, this consistent feeding will directly impact the number of fruits produced. The secret to bucketful harvests? Well, it's not luck. High yields don't come from chance. They come from strong roots, balanced nutrition, and healthy plants. When cucumbers have access to steady nutrients and a disease-free environment, they produce more flowers. And, more flowers mean more fruits. The potassium from wood ash supports fruit formation, while the microbial activity ensures nutrients are always available. This combination lets the plant focus its energy on producing cucumbers instead of just struggling to survive. That's how you go from a few scattered fruits to harvesting by the bucketful. Let's talk about common mistakes to avoid. One mistake is using fresh manure instead of compost. This can burn the roots and introduce harmful organisms. Another mistake is adding too much wood ash. While it's beneficial in small amounts, excessive ash can raise soil pH too much and block nutrient uptake. Skipping the liquid mixture is another missed opportunity. Without it, you lose the microbial boost that makes this system so effective. And finally, planting without mixing the ingredients properly can create nutrient pockets that roots may not access efficiently. One of the biggest advantages of this method is that it doesn't just benefit one crop. It improves the soil over time. Each application adds organic matter, nutrients, and beneficial life to the soil. Over time, your garden becomes more fertile, more balanced, and more productive. This means future crops will also perform better, even with less effort. Here's your final push for maximum results. If you want to take this even further, maintain consistent watering and make sure your cucumbers get enough sunlight. Healthy soil is the foundation, but proper care above ground completes the system. Keep the soil slightly moist, but never waterlogged. Mulching around the plants can help retain moisture and reduce temperature fluctuations. As the plants grow, support them if needed to improve airflow and reduce disease risk. Now, let's bring it all together. This simple planting hole method really transforms the way cucumbers grow. Instead of struggling plants that get sick and produce little, you create strong, resilient plants that thrive and yield heavily. Everything starts at the root. When you give your cucumbers the right start, the results speak for themselves in the form of vigorous growth and heavy harvests. If you found this useful, make sure to subscribe to Soil and Crop Central and share this video with someone who wants bigger, healthier harvests.